shirk, innovations, showing off, crimes against society, crimes against the family, crimes against yourself. Why do you think evil and corruption has appeared on the face of the land and in the sea? It is because of the evil which the hands of men have put forth. Sins darken the heart, take us away from Allah's mercy, and lead to our destruction and corruption. In order to avoid evil, you need to understand it. Join me, Abdur Rahim Green, for a new series discussing the major sins, only on Peace TV.
To know the most serious and bad sins, as well as how to refrain from them, join Abdur Rahim Green in Major Sins, coming soon on Peace TV.